this is Lindsay here from RecPro, and today we're going to talk about this battery box vent cone product code, which is RP1539. So I don't know about you guys, but when I come into my RV, I definitely do not want to be smelling any battery box fumes. And that's where this guy comes in. So this product directs battery box fumes and other unwanted odors outside of your RV, mainly for safety purposes. So this product replaces your wall-mounted vent that connects to your 1 3/4 battery box hose. It's pretty quick and easy to replace. It comes with 4 pre-drilled mounting holes, and so you just mount it and then attach your hose to the end, and you are all ready to go. It does come in the color white, which is pretty sure going to match the inside of your RV. It is also made out of a strong plastic construction, so it is pretty durable. We'll go ahead and pop those dimensions up right on the screen. If you guys are interested, check out the link below, and then like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.